Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in this video we are going to see last problem which is based on the integral of the form 1 upon under root quadratic. Let us start with problem number 12. Integral 1 upon under root 4x minus x squared dx. Here you can see there is a quadratic equation present in the square root. Let us consider this integral as I. As you can see, both x square and x terms are present, therefore we can find the third term. And third term is given by half into coefficient of x the whole square. This will give you half into coefficient of x is 4 the whole square. Here we have 2 ones are 2 twos are and 2 square will be equal to 4. Now let us add and subtract this third term in the denominator. This will give you dx upon under root. Since our x square is negative, we need to give it minus 4. Therefore, we will start with positive 4, balance it by minus 4, and further we have plus 4x and minus x square. I is equal to integral dx upon under root 4 as it is, taking minus n common from these three terms, we have minus of plus x square minus 4x and minus 4 will become plus 4. Here you can write 4 as 2 square and reduce these three terms simultaneously. Therefore, I is equal to integral dx upon under root 2 square minus square root of first term is x, sine of second term is minus, and square root of third term is 2 the whole square. I can compare this integral with the standard formula 1 upon under root a square minus x square dx, which is equal to sine inverse x by a plus c. Here the value of a is 2 and the value of x will be x minus 2. Therefore, I is equal to sine inverse x minus 2 upon 2 plus c. This is our final answer. I hope friends you have understood this problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda.